Okay, I'm back. This time with more Rubik's Cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big guy. Let's see. This one is kind of really crappy, and I broke it a couple times, so I'm going to put that one in back. This one I built falls apart a lot. I'm going to start with this one. The big one might take a while because I can't move this side. I broke it and had to glue it, so I have to solve it without moving this entire side, which is a little tougher. Alright, I'm going to see how many of these I can solve in 1 mile while running in speed 10. Here we go, 10 speed. Speed 10. Just kidding. Okay, I'm going to start right away because I need a lot of time to do this. One down. Fuck! Told you it broke easily. Next one. Damn big cube. What the hell? That took like 5 minutes. 1.4 miles.